Morning, YouTubers. What's up? Well, as you can tell, we're going to do a couple of Barlows today. It's a Rough Rider. I don't know when to quit making this particular. They're still making Barlows, but they old yellers. I don't think they're still making this shape or this kind with the bolsters and all the horseshoes and good looking little old knife. Don't remember what I gave for it though. Had it several years, a few years anyway. Here's a good little cheap Barlow. Got that burnt bone thing going on. Ain't a mark on this thing, sit there at Barlow. I think if you buy two or more, you get these around $6, maybe 7. They're a good little old pocket knife. Really made in China. Anyway, there's today's pick, folks. Barlows, you either love them or hate them. Have a great day. Stay safe. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.